So I'm here with John. We're at the ladder section assembly bit, and I'm just going to show you the craftsmanship that goes into putting these sections together and the quality of these ladder sections and why they're so strong and safe underfoot. So this is the timber that we use here. It's this high density southern yellow pine. And as you can see, John here is assembling the stiles. He's glued them. And he's got them, the actual steps themselves. And he's just aligning them all up. And then he's using this machine to ensure that they're all pushed together properly. So the stiles themselves have these rebates in them. And that means this step sits into those for extra strength. The glue holds them in place, just making sure that each step is spot on. And when he's happy with that, he'll take the unit out and he'll bring it over to our nailing machine. First of all, he'll just make sure everything is square, all the steps are in it properly, all visually inspected for quality all the way. And then we'll square it up and make sure each step is spot on as per what we expect from each of our ladder sections. And then it goes into our nailer unit, which you'll see here when he's happy enough with it. So this just gets fed in here. And you can see that the automated nailer gun down here, and that just fires the nails in each section, lines it up, and that's what gives the final fixing. So you have the routed groove of which the step sits into, glued, aligned and nailed, and then we inspect it on the way out, make sure everything is absolutely perfect in the ladder section. And then the glue is wiped off, excess glue, on all the sections. And then it'll go up here on the unit, ready to go into our spraying booth for a lacquer varnish to go on the system itself. And that's how our ladder sections start from the stiles and the steps and end up into the finished unit like this before going on to the next process of our folding out stiles.